Hi folks, thanks for visiting my channel again. I just get this flashlight, so it's no tax today. So I just get it for $9.99 even, delivered to your door for 24 hours. Here's the flashlight. I get the color gray. They have, I think, 3 selection of the color. So there's a gray, black, and green, but I'm tired of those 2 colors. That's why I'm getting the gray. So it's not easy to get the dirt because of the color. So they have a solid state LED, 3 triple A battery is included. They have a IP44 for the water resistant, anti-slip, and 140 lumens. This is the battery compartment, switches here, and this one is the main of the flashlight with zoomable. So just gonna show you that later when I open the box. So let's access the box and open it so that I can show you how this one look like. So let's go to the table review. Hopefully I can give you honest review on this flashlight. Imagine they have a very high feedback in Amazon. So let's see if even us, if they give us a positive use of this one. Let's open it. So this is the first time I see this one too. Hopefully this one is not damaged. So sometimes if order in Amazon, you get some damage on there. So that one is not in their control too. So let's open this one really quick. This one it's still in the back. I just get it today. So it's right. It's the same in the site that this is the color of this flashlight. Very tiny, made in China. It says they're new LED flashlight. So Lepro is the name. So I don't know if that peso is included to the name, but it says there Lepro. So if you want to read it, it's there. And I show you all around the box. So there's the voltage there. So 4.5. So just read it there. And let's open it right away. So I just get this little dandy knife so that it not breaks the box when you open it. So it's there. Really quick. So I like the color. And this is the manual. Man, it's very tiny. So I just suggest to read this one so that you're gonna know what's going on to be safe. And yeah, it comes with the 3 triple A battery. This very generous there. And that's the first thing I can see. Remove it from the plastic bag. They have list, so you can put it in your wrist, so you can hang it. And they have a plastic wrap there. And this is the one I tell you. You can zoom it out. You can aim a direction to if you have some spot light there that you want to look for it, and when you push it back, this one is give you a big round of the light. So this one is the switch, the casing for. So just follow that direction, and they do alternate. The spring is the negative and the other one is the positive. So let's down, up, and down. and make sure put it that way, follow that arrow, or else it's not gonna give you some light. There, drop it and pour it. So let's try to do it this one in at night, so that we see how this light perform in the dark, if they give us a lot of light. So I'm gonna give you honest review in the light later soon if it is get dark. So I just give you some a quick idea. So is still daytime in my area. So if I go inside my closet, so this how it look like. This one is very basic in switch. Just one click and they already have light there. So if you can see, put it in forward. So now you can do a spot when you want to look something, find something in the dark. They have a very good spot there and very clear too. When you pull it back, so I give you the big light there. The light, it's very natural. It's like daylight. You see a little bit yellowish in the edge of the light around, but when you do closer, it's more on white. You can see there's a little bit yellowing there, but so far the one I see now is, I like this flashlight for $9.99 now, and it's a tax free today. So I saved some taxes there for, I think it's 2 days or 3 days, something like that. So this one is quick review. So let's see. And I feel this tip too is a little bit warmer, but you can still touch it. You can still hand it. So repeat again. Put forward. So that's the one I give you spot light there, and pour it going to you is gonna give you a round big light there. So let's wait until dark, and just gonna show you how this one it works in the dark. Now here we are in our backyard. It's already dark. It's about like 9:30 p.m. at night tonight. So I still have my Christmas tree on, just all year round. I never remove it. Put it on. So this one is, I just tell you, it's very basic. There's no strobe, just one click and you're there. See how strong is the light. They have a decent light on it, so even though you aim to the trees, and then when you push it forward, they're gonna give you a spot. There's some like diamond form there. Now you can check whatever you want to look for it at night. There they have some yellowish around outside, and when you push it backwards, that's the one they give you. A very clean light there. So if you put it in the houses there around trees, very clear. So far I love this flashlight. You cannot beat the price. It's only $9.99 in Amazon plus tax, but I get this one no tax for 2 days. The past days that we have no tax in my area, so I take advantage that no tax. So, and free shipping too at Amazon. So they have two brand of this one. So but they're different. They only change the name, change the brand, but it's the same makers, the same design. So here's the flashlight if you want to Look at it, how this one's work. Pull it out again. So they give you spot check there and push it back. So they give you a big light there. And I think that'll be it. So I already show you everything how this one is work. And see you next time again. If you ask me if I suggest to buy this one for the price, yes. I don't see any negative on this flashlight. So it's not break your bank compared to the expensive flashlight that you can get in the store. This one is a decent price and I give you decent light too. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.